Woohoo! We have got the goodies here. This is not necessary for tomorrow's video, but this, guys, is the paper, the wrapping paper that I'm going to use for tomorrow's vlog. Before starting, guys, I would like to mention that, as you can see, the stand that the Christmas tree is supposed to come with is broken. This Christmas tree is very old, so that's why the stand got a bit cracky and it broke. So what you can do, first tip here, is to use a stand like this one that you can get from old fans. So this is, you can see here there's a hole here, and then if you don't have this, you can always use these things here. So this is just a smaller version of this how do we call this? Anyway, so you can use a bigger version of this. So I usually use a bigger version of this one, but since it is already used for something else, so I'll be using this to hold the Christmas tree. And to make it straight, you have to, so you have the Christmas tree inside here, and you can see it's going to tilt on one side. So what you can do is add some newspaper inside, and then it's going to stay straight like that. I mean, like that. So here I have these lights which I'm going to be using to put on the Christmas tree. So I have two in case one is not enough. The reason I am not fixing this to stay straight is because we're going to keep handling it and it's going to move, so we don't want it to be fixed and then you're going to move it again. So this is what I will be using to light the lights here, and I have got it there, so I will install this behind all of these furniture, and then we're going to see how it looks on the Christmas tree. So gorgeous. Yes. So I keep it on so that I can see how I'm going to place these. We have this to add here, so I'm just going to keep it on so that it's not too much. To start with, I'm going to mark the equilateral triangle at the 3 corners on the carton, like so. Then I will join these 3 points using a ruler and pencil. And then I will cut it using a pair of scissors. Now, taking the white paper, I will place it on the wrapping paper and cut the wrapping paper approximately into a square to wrap the carton. Using adhesive tape, I'm going to wrap the carton with this gift paper or wrapping paper and make sure that you have the silver lining on top and the drawing, whatever design you have, inside. Also, as you can see, we can see a bit of the carton, but that's not a problem. It's going to hide when you're going to superimpose both triangles on top of each other, so it's not going to be seen. Now, taking the adhesive tape, I'm going to wrap it around itself, and then I will stick both of the triangles, making sure that they are not superimposable. That is, you have one triangle rotated at 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, and voila, you're done. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and the DIY project in it with the tips that I shared with you guys, and I hope this is helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.